Want to charge the right shipping fee based on your customer's order? With EasyCommerce, you can set up shipping rules based on location, cart value, item weight, or quantity. Let me show you how it works. From your WordPress dashboard, go to EasyCommerce, then Settings, and open the Shipping section. Start from the Settings tab where you can choose the countries you want to ship to. Next, switch to the Plans tab and click Add Plan. Give your shipping plan a name and description, then choose its status and region. You can also add multiple regions to the same shipping plan if you want to cover different locations or remove it. The important part here is choosing how you want EasyCommerce to calculate the shipping fee. With EasyCommerce gives you 3 calculation options: cart total, total weight, and item count. With cart total, you can charge shipping based on the order value. Total weight lets you calculate the fee based on the weight of the products. And with item count, you can set shipping fees depending on how many products the customer orders. Once you choose a calculation base, you can enable the taxable option if you want the shipping cost to be taxable. Then, give your method a name, set the minimum and maximum price, and enter the shipping fee. If you need different shipping rates, you can also add multiple methods with different conditions. Once your rules are ready, click Save Shipping Plan. Now, let's see what the customer experience is. When the customer enters a delivery location that matches your shipping plan, EasyCommerce automatically applies the relevant shipping fee and shows it on the checkout page. So you don't have to manually calculate or add the delivery charge for every order. And that's it. You can create flexible shipping rules in EasyCommerce and let the checkout automatically handle the shipping cost. Try it out for your store.